In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order tracking page on Wix. This process is relatively straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have a functional order tracking page seamlessly integrated into your Wix website, enhancing the overall experience for your customers. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor and locate the App Market. The App Market is your gateway to a plethora of tools and features that can be added to your site to improve functionality and user experience. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for apps that support order tracking. Try entering keywords like tracking page, order tracking page, or even track order. This should yield several results, giving you the flexibility to choose the app that fits your needs best. Some popular options you might consider include Tracking Page by ClickApps or Track Order Tracking Page by Certified Code. These are well known within the Wix community for their ease of use and reliability. Once you've selected an app, you'll have the option to Add to Site or simply install it. Clicking this option will initiate the installation process, bringing the app's functionality to your website. After the installation is complete, it's time to incorporate the tracking page widget into your site's layout. You might decide to create a new page dedicated entirely to this service, perhaps naming it Track Order, so that it is prominently featured and easily accessible for visitors. This step ensures that your customers have a clear way to track their orders without navigating through several layers of your website. Next, you'll want to configure the app to align with your specific requirements. This typically involves setting up your tracking number format, which gives consistency to the information shared with customers. You'll also need to decide which carriers you want to include as options on your site, making sure that these choices reflect your actual shipping methods to avoid any confusion. Additionally, take some time to customize the look and feel of the tracking page. This could mean tweaking colors, fonts, or any other design elements that help maintain a cohesive brand image across your entire website. Once everything's set up, it's important to publish the changes and then run a test to ensure everything is working as expected. Place a test order and input its tracking number in your Wix Orders dashboard. From there, check to see how this information is displayed on the customer-facing side of your new tracking page. This test allows you to experience firsthand what your customers will see and verify that all parts of the system function smoothly. And that's it! With a few simple steps, you've added an order tracking page to your Wix site, offering your customers a convenient, self-service option to check the status of their orders anytime.